Are you getting Roblox error code 317 on your PC and nothing seems to work? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that can clear the Roblox files causing the problem. It only takes a few minutes, so make sure you follow every step. First, completely close Roblox. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Look for Roblox in the list of running apps or processes. If you see it, right-click on Roblox and select End Task. This step is important because we want to make sure Roblox is completely closed before deleting its files. Once Roblox is closed, you can close Task Manager. Now press Windows plus or on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now look for the Roblox folder. Once you find it, right-click the Roblox folder and delete it. Don't worry, this won't delete your Roblox account, progress, or purchases. Roblox can recreate the necessary local files the next time you launch it. After deleting the folder, close all open applications and restart your PC or laptop. Once your computer starts back up, launch Roblox and check if error code 317 is gone. And that's it. If this fixed the problem for you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox fixes and tutorials. If you're still getting error code 317 after trying these steps, let me know in the comments, and I'll show you some additional fixes.